Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing all fine. In this video, we will show you how to generate YouTube token and configure it. First, what is YouTube token? To put your YouTube content creation journey on autopilot and upload your video directly to YouTube, whenever your video is generated via VidEmpire, you need to give an authentication to VidEmpire. Through this authentication system, VidEmpire will access your YouTube channel and upload the created video directly to your channel. This is a process administered by Google, so you don't need to worry a bit regarding any safety or security concern. Now, let's see how this process is done. First, you need to come to the Setting tab. First, you need to create a YouTube token name. You can put any random name of your choice here. But we suggest you to use your channel name here, which will be easier for you to keep track on, considering you will have lots of channels. For example, we will use our brand name VidEmpire here. Then click on the Create Token button. It will open your browser and redirect you to log in to your Gmail account with which your targeted YouTube channel associated. On the next tab, it will ask you to choose the YouTube channel you want to generate token for if you have multiple channels under one Gmail account. Now click on the Continue button. Then you will get a confirmation message that your authentication flow is completed. The generated token is saved inside the VidEmpire desktop folder, which was created during the installation of our software. Here you will find the channel token. To open this JSON file, right-click on it and select Open With and choose TXT file format. So now if you have to use this token on your input file, we will show it in another tutorial video how to use the token inside the input file. You can create unlimited number of tokens for unlimited number of your YouTube channel. So that's it for now. If you have any queries regarding the tutorial video, do comment below. And if you still haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe. For community engagement, join our Discord channel and Facebook group from the link on our video description. And wait, you still haven't ordered our YouTube automation software? Do order now. The price will go higher after our beta sale. Only the early subscribers will get this discounted price. See you on another tutorial video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.